number 52. Page number 52. 52. Last day we discussed that the effects of the war and Treaty of the Versailles, criminal November criminals, है ना, November criminal, Treaty of the Versailles, and another one, effect of the war, how the military people are getting ranks, how the military people are getting the jobs after the First World War. ठीक है, and the Treaty of the Versailles. Their condition is the completely very low psychologically and financially very low position in Germany. ठीक है, today we have to discuss about that one. Page number 52 में there is another topic is there, political radicalism and economic crisis of Germany. Sir, political radicalism. Generally, all German people first they set up to the Weimar Republic. It means that democratic system. Okay, but the democratic system it was not good for the German people due to the Treaty of the Versailles. Falcon, the Treaty of the Versailles, which month it was held? Can you tell me that one? Falcon, the Treaty of the Versailles, कौन सा month में है ना? Which month and which year? Can you tell me that one? Falcon. I think Germany है ना? क्या नाम है? आप see that explain about now the topic. You see the tell me Falak. Listen. There is a topic. There is a topic is there. Yesterday we discussed that November criminals. November criminals means these people are socialist, Catholic, democratic, to support to the encourage to the Weimar Republic democratic system. And why November criminals? Because the treaty was held in November. ठीक है? So treaty was held in November 1919. Who are support to the democratic system? Non-German people they call here November criminals. Understand? तो Treaty of the Versailles कौन सा सीजन में? नवंबर सीजन 1919. ठीक है, सुनो. And बाद Ansh Agrawal. Yes, stand up. Ansh Agrawal. Where the Republic of the Germany, where the Parliament located of the German people. Sir. Ansh Agrawal. In SST paper, you are getting very less mark. है ना? मतलब you are not this much marks also is not there. Sir. Samia, tell me that one. Sir. Yes, Majan. Yes, Weimar City है ना? Yes. Yeah, yes, very good. Siram. Weimar Republic means German Parliament. It is called a Reichstag located in German city that is called a Weimar Republic. That's why from 1919 onwards all German people they call a Weimar Republic. Next, Treaty of the Versailles. It was held in November of the Paris एक city में that is called a Versailles city में. That's why the Treaty of the Versailles. The treaty it's good for the German people. Ishka Verma. It's good for the it's good advantages to the German people of the Treaty of the Versailles. नीमा, वो वर्साइली ट्रीटी है ना, वो जर्मन पीपल के लिए सुविधा मिल गया. Yes, it was not good for the German people due to the affair. So these all the topics we have discussed in the previous class. Whatever the economical causes is there, political causes we are discussing to that. One, economical, all military office people, they are not satisfied the Treaty of the Versailles. You know, for example, if you are compared in India, any army people after the service, they are getting employment. Yes, ex-service quota. You know, ex-service person may they get the jobs. Aaj bhi, if you go to bank, any state bank, national bank, there is the guard is there, security guard is there, that is provided for the ex-service people. You know, but it was not happened in Germany. Yes, sir. Germany, all army people, military people, they could not get the good salaries or employment after the Treaty of the Versailles. So now another topic is that one, the political radicalism. Sir, even the political system also good. You know, in Germany, if you see the page number 52, the birth of the Weimar Republic coincided with the revolutionary uprising, the separatist league on the pattern of the Bolshevik Revolution in Russia. So, in the 1917, 1920, at the period in the Russia, there is the start to the revolutionary things. Due to revolutionary things, Russia was vast to develop, due to Russian revolution. The same system, the same ideas, these people also preferred in Germany. तो जर्मन पीपल आल्सो प्रिफर्ड. हमारा देश भी है, एक रशिया तरफ में पॉलिटिकल सिस्टम चाहिए. डेमोक्रेसी वी आर नॉट फेवरेबल टिल इन जर्मनी, है ना, टिल जर्मनी they are following to that one, but election system is there, but they are completely communist system, dictator system only they are following. आज भी है, election is there, but not like our India. ठीक है? So, and another topic is that Soviet of the workers, sailors were established. Many cities, political atmosphere, Berlin was changed with the demand of the Soviet style government. They demand to the Soviet style government in Berlin, the capital city of the Germany. Ishika Verma, the capital city of the Berlin, all the people, they required to the Soviet type of the government. We are not believe to the democratic. हमको डेमोक्रेटिक विश्वास नहीं है. Whatever the government is there in Russia, that government setup, we are prefer to that one. And next one, they are opposed to this such socialist, democratic, Catholic met in the Weimar give to the shape democratic republic. But even though Catholic people is there, democratic people, or at least give some suggestion to the democratic system in Germany, who are the Weimar Republic crushed the uprising help of the veterinary organization. This is called a free crops. Who are the free crops mean? Who are some of the people are help to the Weimar Republic. Veterinary matlab some of the army people help to prefer to the Germany democratic system. So that organization, it is called a free crops. I watched the science paper of the 9th diamond only. Ishika, no? क्या नाम है? Rishika. She got a very good marks. है ना? Really is very good performing. And rest of the people, some boys are getting 1 mark. Even science also 0 marks. ठीक है? So please, इतना कम mark because of the in 16 Anushka, in 16 there is the PTM is there. Your answer sheet checked by your parents. This time we are showing your answer sheets also. So please, my humble request is that one, focus the subject. In next examination, we have to give the good marks. ठीक है? Yes.
So fees भरनी पड़ेगी।
Yes, हाँ.
आप फिर नहीं दिखाना पड़ेगा।
Okay. So German people, Bagel. German people, क्या नाम है? Mayan. So German people, which type of the government is preferred? German country में कौन सा तरह गवर्नमेंट चाहिए? I have written all the points to that one, but you are not listen my Germany people किस तरह गवर्नमेंट प्रिफर कर रही है? I have written the points on the board. They demand next. Why Soviet style of the government? Because in the Russia they have no difference rich and poor in the society. So economically they will be developed. Okay. And next point is that, sit down. Next point. And the arguist, separatist, they found later the Communist Party of the Germany. So later all the people are arguing. So finally they started one organization, that party, that it is called a that party name it is called a Communist Party of the Germany. Okay, Communist Party of the Russia. And then it is called a Bolshevik. Then it is called a Communist Party of the Russia, renamed by the Lenin. Like this, Germany also they prefer to the Communist Party system. But earlier, which system is there? Democratic system is there. But Indian people, we are preferred to the democratic. Why? Because Indian, it is a unique country. Different people, different language, different kana, kapda system alage. So that's why we prefer to the democratic. But in Germany, language one, color, kana, system is the ek. So they prefer to one party system. They have to like this only. Okay, so Germany people, they prefer to that one Communist Party of the Germany after Treaty of the Versailles. Okay, next one. And the communist, yes, Nima. हाँ? तो अभी खाना खाएंगे ना? खाना तो मार्क्स बता देंगे, क्यों टेंशन आपका? हाँ, खा बता देंगे, ठीक है? पानी ज्यादा पियो। मार्क्स ज्यादा है ना? हमारा क्लास में भी 15 बच्चे हैं, है ना? वो जितना बार एक्सप्लेन करो, जितना बुक भी दे दो, वो लिख सकते नहीं, ठीक है? मेरा पेपर में भी 3 मार्क्स 2 मार्क्स आया था, मैं भी पागल हो रही है। वो साइंस मैथ्स अलग है, हाँ? वेरी इजी पेपर आल्सो, यू नॉट अटेम्प्ट टू दैट वन, हाँ? मिस्टर सात्रक नहीं वेरी गुड मार्क्स, गुड परफॉर्मेंस, ठीक है? ओके, नाउ वी वांट टू डिस्कस अबाउट पेज नंबर 53 में सेकंड पैराग्राफ। 53 में सेकंड पैराग्राफ, इन 1923 repreparation in goal of the Germany. Sir, repreparation of the goal in Germany. What is happening in Germany in 1923? In political radicalism, was only highlighted economic rise of the 1923. Generally, the political radicalism, if the political party is stronger, they can take any action. You see in Modi ji, he got a 303 seats in Lok Sabha and he is never tolerate any Lok Sabha member, opposition party, even any minister also cannot speak to the directly to the Modi ji because of he got a good majority in the Lok Sabha. Yes. There is only one system is there. Federal structure is there, but people do not have the powers. Nazi party के बाद में they are became very strong. That we discuss next topic. ठीक है? So what happened? The Germany had fought the war. Largely loan had to be paid for repression of in the gold. So 1914 का बाद में the Germany people they have taken loan from the bankers. So they think that we want to more money through the gold. ठीक है? Gold we have to kept in the bank. We can get the money and that money we have to give to the as a compensation. But what happened to that? This diplomatic gold reserve, the time resource was scarce, and Germany में gold mines is there, so they think that so we can take the gold, put the bank, and we can get the money as a mortgage. ठीक है? So we can pay the compensation. But the 1923 they want to take the loan, that is also scarce. मतलब बहुत कम gold mines stock is there. Because of war due to war they may be damaged to that one, they may be taken to that one. So gold also it's very less in the Germany. So immediately German people, the German government they said we will put a currency. We will put the currency पूरा एकदम stamp कर दिया. In the 1923, Germany refused to pay. The French occupied the leading the industrial area road to climb to the coal. Germany retired with the passive resistance of the printed paper currency recklessness. So Germany, Germany think that we do not have the gold. From today onwards, we want to printed the currency with reckless. कितना पैसा चाहिए पूरा printing भी चाहिए, okay? ज़्यादा पैसे मिलेंगे, तो nobody asked to that one. But what happened to that one? This currency in America no value. In Germany में the currency के लिए value is there. But this currency you want to exchange to other country, they are getting very less price. So automatically these currencies was completely down. So that is it happened. See this one. With the too much of the printed money in circulation, the value of the German mark was fall. In April, US dollar equal to 24,000 marks. In July, 3,53,000 marks. In August, 4,621,000 marks at the at 98 lakhs 8,000 60,000 marks of in December. Figure had run into the trills. So you have a currency is there. They call the marks, है ना? जो Germany का dollar है, Germany they call the marks. The currency is called a mark. India is called a rupee. है ना? $1 is equal to 92. अरे जो भी पता नहीं है बस मैंने सुना. ठीक है. So what will be happen? Gradually their currency was down. So financially they have faced so many problems. है ना? So automatically what will be there is prices are increases. That is explained to that one. The image of the German carrying the cart loads of the currency note to buy a loaf of bread was widely publicized, evoking to the worldwide sympathy. this crisis came to known as a hyperinflation. Hyperinflation मतलब क्या है ना? Nobody take this German currency, at least bread purchase करने के लिए use नहीं हो गया. You want to purchase the bread, है ना? But no value of this currency of the Germany. So this it is called a hyperinflation. है ना? Because of the Germany currency was completely yesterday Shukla sir I phoned your father, your mother, है ना? But you have not changed. I don't come to this school. I don't understand. है ना? Better to come March 10. Their exam is there.
कब
Begin. है ना? Better to come in March 10. Simply write and go.
सर सिलेबस पर फाइनल
तो चुप है यार तारीख तो बताना
हाँ. There are 4 pillars is there. The 4 pillars nothing used in Gokuldas public school. ठीक है? Just only talking, खाना talking, खाना and talking.
सर हर प्लेट में छोटी
Yes, 1 month is there. Your next you are going to 10th class. पापा आपको मम्मी बहुत सोचता हमारा बच्चा डॉक्टर बनेंगे इंजीनियर बनेंगे बहुत पैसा कमाएंगे बट तो क्या करेंगे इधर ओके नेक्स्ट वन व्हाट इज द ड्यूस प्लान OS please what is the ड्यूस प्लान eventually American intervened and bailed Germany out of the crisis of introduced hyper मतलब क्या है the currency was completely downfall compared to the American currency no value of the American Germany marks so due to that only that price you cannot take the bread also not valuable if you want to purchase the bread Germany का marks पैसा का कोई value नहीं है so this is called a hyperinflation ठीक है हर्षित साइकिल में आ जाइए उधर देखो
सर दैट अमेरिका हेल्प जर्मनी
यस दीपक
सर दैट अमेरिका हेल्प जर्मनी
and so again सामिया देखो ओए वो रेड कलर मास्क सुनो हाँ ये येलो कलर है तो रेड कलर ओके व्हाट इज द ड्यूस प्लान it is a short term loaning system American people they are introduced the short term loan system that is called a DUS. What is that? We will discuss that one. Which reworked in the terms repression to ease the financial burden. DUS mean मतलब reworked and re-preparation of the financial work. It is called a DUS. मतलब if you are work 8 hours, you have to work in 12 hours. So what will be happen? You have the more money. If you have the more money, you can easily remove your financial burden. That it is called here DUS. मतलब short term plan. Short term मतलब plan मतलब क्या है? Every day you have to 8 hours work is there. But in the short term you have to work in the 12 hours and next one preparation of the one financial burden मतलब financial burden complete करने के लिए this system was introduced by the American people. Next one another one that the year of the depression means आंदोलन financial आंदोलन आंदोलन मतलब वो एक Okay. So page number 54, third paragraph. The year of the repression, the year of the between 1924 to 28 saw some stability, and this was built on a sand. German investment, individual recovery were totally depending on the short-term loan, largely from the USA. So USA government, which system is, which financial system introduced? Short-term system. And the support of the withdrawn when the Wall Street Exchange. Sir, Wall Street Exchange means Anushka Sharma, sorry, Mahajan. देखो, Wall Street Exchange. Wall Street Exchange means it is located in New York. It is actually located in New York. In India में BSC, है ना?
बॉम्बे स्टॉक एक्सचेंज
बॉम्बे स्टॉक एक्सचेंज मार्केट दैट इज इन मुंबई में है. ठीक है, व्हाट हैपन? ठीक है, तू रात को सोते नहीं, तू 10 बजे में मैसेज भेजते. हाँ
10 बजे कौन सोता
हाँ
है?
ये 10:30 बजे बाद में बाय गुड नाइट, पहले 9 बजे 8 बजे भेजते हैं.
बात कर दो.
ठीक है. हाँ माई टाइमिंग इज 9:30. फैन बंद करो बस. ठीक है. हाँ ठीक है.
सर इसका कहीं कुछ ना पूरा मालूम है.
बोयस महाजन, कृष्ण महाजन,
कौन सा मालूम?
दोनों महाजन और लोग बात करेंगे. हाँ ओके. In the 1900, sir, what happened 1929 Wall Street Exchange. Wall Street Exchange.
सबसे एनएससी.
तुम्हारा प्लेस कहाँ है? इधर है ना? नहीं इधर है.
हमारे मेरा डॉक्टर
तू हरप्रीत के क्यों डिस्टर्ब कर रही है? क्या नाम है इसका?
अर्पित
हाँ ये हरप्रीत है ना. हाँ क्या है? अरबित. ओके. हर्षित कुलेरिया. आपका पीछे क्या नाम क्या है इसका? हाँ अमृत. अमृत मतलब जामुन है. Okay. What is the Wall Street Exchange? Palak, please. Be serious. Hey, Arpit. we complete this topic? The fearing is, please, fearing is falling down prices